Hi everyone, it's me JoJo, and I just finished my journal, so I thought I would come in and show you. It's a design team project for JaneyBJournals. The name of the journal is Victoria, and it is about Queen Victoria. She was queen in Great Britain until she passed away. I think she became queen in like 1837. So this beautiful kit is by JaneyBJournals. It was so much fun to work with. This is my cover. It's just a soft cover. Um, Here is one of the envelopes. I took a paper clip and added some of the um, eyelash trim to it. And this is one of the envelopes that came in her kit. And I put Velcro on it and just added a piece of old paper for extra journaling spot. And here is Queen Victoria. And I left this because I just thought it was nice on its own, very pretty. I've added a lot of eyelash trim throughout. This was one of the tags, and of course I kept it a tag, but I made it into a pocket. And I've added one of the postcards that come with the kit. And this is just a book page. I did a double-sided paper clip. This is a piece of my paper, and I put some ledger paper in here. I tore it down. This is the picture that came with the kit, along with a picture of Prince Albert. Here's another one of the tags, and I made this one into a pocket as well, and I just folded up a piece of old paper to add to it, just to give some extra journaling. I love this page in it, and I love her background page, and I'll show you what I've done with bits and pieces of it shortly. Here's another one of the tags that come with the kit, and this picture came with the kit, but I made it into a pocket. Here's another picture that I made into a pocket, and I added these tickets that come with the kit. And here's another tag, and on this tag I've added a charm that I made, and it was one of the pictures of Prince Albert, and I cut his head out, and that sounded bad, but I made a little charm. And this page here I took and did a punch out and used it for the back. I have a cute little charm to add. Then this is one of the postcards that comes with the kit, or journaling cards. And I made another paper clip just with the eyelet trim. And this is a little notebook that I've added paper to, just for a little extra journaling spot. And here is another one that I took and for lack of a better word, I punched the head out, so that way I could make another little charm. And this is the tag that come with the book. I mean the kit. I think that Janey did a really nice job of putting these pages together. I really love them. This was a little paper stack that I had. I cut it out, and this is a journaling card that come with the kit. And I added fabric to it for a pull tab. Then I made this little tablet of paper. And this was a page in the kit where I just cut out some of the paper. I always print extra so I can do something extra, you know, with the kit. The center of the journal, and on one of these strings I put "Handmade with Love," a little charm. I do that in about all of my books. I think she did a really good job with making the pages. With this one, I took one of the pictures, and this is actually a picture that I used to punch out the, I think, the head. And this opens up for extra journaling spot. And the other side of the bag, and this is another one of the journaling cards. It comes with the kit. This is one of Janey's pages. And this is another one of her pages. One of my tea-dyed pages. I really like this page. Then I made a tag from one of the tags in her kit. And this is another one of the postcards that comes with her kit. And I took the page that you see here in the background. I printed it in cardstock and just cut me out a corner so I'd have tuck spots. And Janey also has, I believe, these with her kit. And then this is an envelope, and I have glued a picture that comes in the kit to it. And here's a journaling card. And I've also added a picture of Prince Albert. And then on this side of my envelope, I put one of her tickets and then a piece of paper inside. It's just an old piece of paper that I left out and found in one of the little antique stores that I went to. And then here is another one of the charms that I made. And I made this from this picture. See if I can get it to focus. My camera's not wanting to focus. There. Anyway, it's what I made for the kit to have a little extra charm. I just added some lace and paper here and added one of the tags that come with the kit. And this is one of the pictures that come in the kit. I just used it for a tuck spot and just added a piece of paper that I cut down to size to it. And then this is one of the tags that come with the kit. And here I took one of the pictures that come in the kit and added it as a pocket. And here's some of the tags that come with it. Then this is one of the postcards that comes in the kit, and I made it into a pocket, and I added this picture of Queen Victoria to it. And then on the side I have another tag, and I have it paper clipped, and I have this charm. And this is one that I punched out. And then the back of it, like I showed earlier, has the, I call it a flower design to it. And this is one of the pockets that comes in the kit, or envelopes, I'm sorry. So I just added it here with a paper clip. And this is one of the pictures, a journaling card. And then this is the back. So again, this is JaneyBJournals Victoria kit. You'll have to go check her out. She has some really good deals, and she has some amazing kits, and they're all full of ephemera. I really enjoy working with them. This is not the first kit that I've used, so I will be back again really soon. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye-bye.